In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add keywords in the Yoast SEO plugin. Let's get started by diving into the WordPress platform where all the magic happens. The first thing you need to do is open up your post or page editor in WordPress. This is where you create and edit the content for your site, and it's also where you'll be able to access the Yoast SEO features. If you're using the classic editor, you'll find this easily in your dashboard under Posts or Pages. With the Gutenberg editor, just click on the title of the post or page you want to work on, and it'll open up for you. Next, you'll want to take a look at the bottom of your editor screen for the Yoast SEO meta box. If you're using the Gutenberg editor, this might appear as a sidebar. Either way, it's your command center for optimizing posts and pages on your site. You'll notice right away that Yoast SEO provides you with a wealth of options. But for now, we'll focus on keywords because they are crucial for search engine optimization. Once you have the Yoast SEO meta box in view, go ahead and enter your focus key phrase in the designated field. This is the main keyword or phrase you want your content to rank for in search engines. Think of it as the primary search term you believe people will use to find this particular page. It's important to choose a key phrase that is both relevant to your content and within reach for your site's domain authority to achieve good rankings. After you've set your key phrase, Yoast SEO will spring into action, offering a full analysis of your page. Take the time to read through their analysis, as it's packed with useful insights to help you optimize every corner of your page. You should aim to incorporate your focus key phrase in several areas of your content. This includes your title, headings, the first paragraph, the main body of the text, as well as the meta description, alt text for images, and the URL slug. Each of these elements helps reinforce to search engines what your content is about, boosting its chances of appearing in relevant search results. For those using the premium version of Yoast SEO, there's an added bonus. You can also add related or secondary key phrases, which further optimize your content by helping it to rank for additional terms. This can broaden the reach of your content and attract even more visitors to your site. Finally, after completing all this optimization work, be sure not to let it go to waste. Save your changes by clicking Save or Update before you leave the page. This will ensure all your edits and optimizations are properly stored and visible to your site visitors and search engines alike. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to effectively add keywords using the Yoast SEO plugin and optimize your content for better search engine visibility. Thanks for tuning in, and happy optimizing.